Hey guys, today we're going to Dad's. We go to Mom and Dad's every week, so today we're going to Dad's. We're going to pack up all the Roombas. Let's get started. Where are you going to put the chargers on? So I can hear with you.
Yeah.
We need something to...
Oh, look, I got a new one. Eloise is in it. Why don't you put the chargers in there?
Okay, can Eloise move them?
Yeah, we're going to have to move her.
Oh,
Oh, there she goes.
That's not going to fit that much chargers, though. We have stacks of Roombas everywhere.
Oh.
Should we bring 805 or no?
Is that the one with the stuff on it? Yeah, just leave that one here.
But we got him for our house.
I know, but I don't think Dad wants you to bring it over there. I'll clean it this week.
Can we try to clean him and you can bring him over there?
Yep.
You might get the pier clean too, like.
Oh, you're right, man.
This is like all the chargers.
Awesome. Except the self-empty bins, right? Because they are way too big. We'll figure it out.
Here's the first one.
Woohoo! Chargers.
Let's go put it over here. Let's try to use this box.
Do you want to put the Roombas all in that box? Because it's tall and then you can stack them?
I'll do that later. I'm also trying to get the charger. I get Brahma Jets. Okay, I might be able to fit. Are you kidding me?
Me, I think it's her box.
Might be able to fit this.
Yeah, that's good. The top doesn't have to close. We can carry it from the bottom.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at it first.
It sure does.
Mia, watch it out.
Oh, careful. Poor me. She loves a good bob.
That one's for Mia. Two small ones.
Nice. Ooh, another two small ones.
These are having not really charging them for some reason. That top might be broken now that they were charging them. But we need tape because we
Okay.
might be able to fit a robot back in.
All right, let's do the robots and then we'll find some tape.
Might be able to fit one of there. if we You know, shrimp, it still fits him.
Perfect.
Wait. This works, look.
Yeah. You could probably, You probably have to put the cardboard there because it's so light. And I'll take it back.
Yeah, we don't want to box.
All right, start with the Big Daddy box.
Should we try to do those chargers and then put them
No, put the Roombas first.
Okay.
We can always carry the chargers if we have to.
We might be able to use that box. That big one. I'm going to put ice cream in here. Just this. I'm going to put ice cream.
You're supposed to stack them on top, like dominoes. We need help. Okay, so I'll open the box. You just put it in there flat.
You can't really go flat.
No, that's okay. That's how it was when I got here. You just have to put it as flat as we can. There we go. Next.
We do Bravojet. We might need something else for Bravojet because remember you started leaking when we were doing it.
Yeah, well, we still have a little room in the hamper, so we can do that.
Put that one there. Let's get I7. I7 we brought in that box. So we're going to put it here. I7. 675. You think we fit one more?
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to get this plus. I'm going to get plus. It barely fits in there.
Don't worry, it doesn't have to close.
I know. I just want to make it kind of. Thing's heavy.
Yeah, Daddy will have to carry that.
It might be a little heavy for him too. Now, how are we going to use this box?
I don't think we can use that one because the bottom's broke.
But we still have robot vacuums and.
I know. So we have our dirty clothes over there in that laundry basket, and it has a handle. So if you put stuff in there, it won't be heavy to carry because it has handles.
This?
That and the other one.
Which other?
There should be a teal laundry hamper basket.
I don't see it.
It's right there, Ben.
That one?
No. Look, by the door. Yeah, that's it.
Let's try to do this.
There you go, bro.
It's heavy. Let's see if we can even fit this in there. Fit sharp, release. Those are the only two things that can fit in there. I can't fit that much things in there.
Yeah. You want to go get the hamper now?
Yes.
Okay.
You might be thinking we're crazy how I did. Oh, Eloise, you sleeping on the back? I got the hammer.
Oh, yeah.
Why is there a nutcracker in here?
Oh, I thought you might want to bring one
Oh,
home.
I love you. I'm going to try to fit one of these chargers. Well, I'm scared to put Bravojet because he might leak in there and everything.
Oh,
might
yeah,
be
yeah.
Destroyed.
Yeah, just with the chargers. Don't put Rocket.
I think we can fit. I think we can maybe fit this guy's charger.
All right.
Because he is the smallest one out of all of them. I think. I think he's the smallest one. So let's try to fit him.
Yeah.
Go.
Looking good.
It works. We just gotta put... Now, what are we going to do with
Those are pretty big. I think we can carry them out.
what are we going to do with Bravojet?
We're gonna have to carry him too. Maybe in a towel.
We'll grab this back. Wait, maybe we can put these shoes over here.
Mmm.
Maybe I will fit something. That. Let's try to fit a base station in.
All right.
Ooh.
I think it'll work, huh? Maybe.
Do you think we should try to put it the other way? Maybe? Like this?
Oh yeah, actually, that's a really good idea. That's the heaviest part.
There you go.
Yeah, man.
It works. And then you put
So now we just have to carry one charger
one
base
robot mount.
and one Brava.
Let's get the plug. Can't believe that actually works. Got everything packed up. Let's just put these there. Yeah, there's some sprinkles on these docks.
Mm-hmm.
That's how it
These springies.
Well, he is potentially the Roomba that's on the top. Because I used him to create this robot vacuum. I used him for this charger. And we're all packed up. See you guys later.